Welcome back to a Motorcycle Enhancements TV. We're putting together this Honda Shadow 1100 Tourer. Has brand new paintwork on it. And in this particular case, we've done a modification with an Indian style fender where we had to, because of the fitment, we had to attach the fender to the forks first, and then we're going to attach the whole assembly to the bike. So we got our trusted team here of mechanics to put this together. Bear with us, and I'm going to pause this for a moment as they set themselves up.
Let me align this first. I'm having trouble fitting it in here. That won't open more?
No. I can take them off.
Okay, take one off.
Okay, we got things lined up.
Why? But are those tight? Make sure they're loose. You can't push back too much.
Okay, hold on, let me get the blinkers on.
Say hi, Panda. Panda's overseeing all the jobs here, making sure everything's done right. So we take extreme care in not damaging any paint when we put things together. And we're just clamping fork tubes in place on the triple trees. And we'll do a minor adjustment later. We'll get this thing done. This is going to look super nice, this bike. If you've noticed, we have a cutout made for the calipers, which we will install a cover later. Cover up the caliper. It'll look really nice. It's all custom fabricated and fitted. And there you have. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe below.
Watch this.
Share your video. Oh yeah, there's the cover. Thank you, Sean. Thanks again, guys. Have a nice day, and look for our next video very shortly.